What's going on, guys? My name's Roscoe. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. So I figured we'll do a little small sneaker unboxing video for you today. Actually had these waiting for a while now, but I just want to open them. I was going to wait till this weekend, but I want to wear them this week. So I'm going to unbox them for you today so we can take a look at those. Before we do this, though, I just want to make some announcements to keep you guys up to date. The Off-White Nike Blazers are currently on the Sneakers app for US. This is for the US only. It's going to be a draw tomorrow. I believe at 10 o'clock Eastern time, I think, is the draw. I don't know how much we have of a chance of getting these. I hope one of you guys, at least out there, might be able to get a pair. But my expectations is probably going to be an L. But it's worth a shot, right? We'll see. So, guys, keep you up to date, and we'll find out, too. I want you guys to let me know if you guys cop tomorrow through IG. So, but that being said, I picked these pair of sneakers from eBay. I mentioned it in my video actually a couple weeks ago, maybe, that I actually wanted this pair really bad. It's nothing really too crazy. It's nothing fancy. I know a lot of people are like, oh, they just want me to make Yeezy videos, but unfortunately, I have other styles. I like other stuff, so I'm taking a break for the Yeezy video, at least for tonight. And we're going to unbox this right now. As you can see, though, my dog already has gone ham on the box. He's like the best at opening the box for me. So, like I said, I got this from eBay. It wasn't really too hard to get. I felt like if you wanted this pair, you were able to get it, to be honest. And it wasn't really, I don't think it's going for crazy resale value. So if you guys still are interested in getting this, you guys will be able to. As you can see already, it's a Nike box. And, oh no, my dog is like right here and he's like ready for that, to get that box. So this is actually a Jordan 1 box. So Jordan 1, size 12. Like I said, I mentioned in my prior videos that this pair I had to have. I'm completely biased. This is going to be a pretty biased video, to be honest. But I needed this pair. I absolutely needed this pair. Oh, I love the smell, too. I love the smell of these shoes. So, here you go. Let me put this box here. So, what I ended up getting, I ended up picking up the Pine Green Jordan 1s. Now, like I said in the videos prior before, I needed this pair. I absolutely needed this shoe. As you probably know, I'm from Boston by my accent, and I'm a huge Boston Celtics fan. So, and I'm a huge Jordan 1 fan. I love the Jordan 1s. I actually put them all right here. I have the Royals, metallics. I absolutely love the metallics. The metallics are fire. I have them in red and blue, and then I got the wheats last winter. I did have the track reds as well, but I sold those. I ended up selling the track reds because I don't know, I wore them for like 2 weeks, and then some guy offered me like $275 for them, and I was just like, sure, yeah, I'll take it. But the leather quality's not too bad on these. I know with Jordan 1s you want like decent, good leather quality on these, but it's not bad. I mean, it's not like perfect, but it's decent, man. It's been a crazy year as far as Jordan 1s are concerned, and there's really not too much, really. Everyone knows what a Jordan 1 looks like. I like this one. I had to have it. The green bottom, really nice. Now, I know, too, the court purples were way more popular. Way more popular than these. Let's just face it. I think the court purples, well, I don't think they have put Jordan, for a Jordan 1, I don't think they've put purple on a Jordan 1 in a long time, to be honest. I don't think they've ever. The only one I can remember is that I think they did, like, when they originally first came out with the Jordan 1s, they did the metallic purples, which is just like this. But I think they did a metallic purple for those. But other than that, I don't think there's ever been a Jordan 1 with purple on it. And then plus with like the LeBron going to the Lakers and this being like a Lakers Celtics kind of vibe. You know, there's a lot of LeBron fans, and a lot of Laker fans, so I can see a lot of people going for those. But I think around here, these are a must, especially for fall. I think the green is really, really nice for fall. But like I said, I had to have these. And what I love about, like, for me with Jordans, I think I'll give you my top 3 right now as far as Jordans are concerned. My favorite Jordan is the Jordan 3 by far. It's like the first Jordan I've ever owned, so that will always be number 1. Next is Jordan 1s, and then for me is Jordan 4s. So it goes in that order. But this has been a crazy year for Jordan 1s. I'm actually going to do, like, probably at the end of the year, I'm going to do some bunch of top 10 videos, and I got to do a top 10, like, Jordan 1, because there's been so many Jordan 1s. But right now, just right off the top of my head, and let's see if you guys agree with me on this too as well. I'll put a picture up here. I think the best Jordan 1 to release this year is probably the Off-White UNC 1s. I think we can probably agree there. Second, I will probably say the Nigel Sylvesters. Those could probably be number 2. And then I would probably, for 3, maybe the Bread Toes. I just think the Bread Toes were, you know, one, I think it caught everybody by surprise of how limited they were. And I saw videos of people fighting each other in Foot Locker for them. And it's a dope colorway, black and red. And I really like how, like, with these ones, like how they have the color to match the toe. I think that was such a cool vibe. And then this is like a cream color, which is nice. But I know a lot of people, especially with the green Jordan 1s, this probably isn't even the best green Jordan 1. I forget the name of the Jordan 1 with the green and the white. But that one I think everyone loves more than this. I'll put a picture here too as well. I forget the name of them off the top of my head. Excuse me for that. But I think everyone likes those more than these. But I don't have those. So these are just as good to me. But I actually really like these. These are really nice. And you know, like I said, you can style Jordan 1s any way. It's the easiest way to style. Easiest Jordan to style by far. But yeah, this is what I picked up. Like I said, I wanted to open these for you guys right away. Because I want to wear these. These are going straight to feet, and I think the Celtics are actually doing a preseason game tonight, so I'll probably go watch that. Watch Kyrie and Tatum. So, but yeah, this is what I picked up. A little bit different. I know I usually cover a lot of Yeezy and Adidas stuff, but like I said, I like Jordans. Like I said, I like Jordan 1, so I had to have these. And then if you're interested too, I don't even think, like, these are not reselling for a lot. I'll put like StockX numbers here. I think they're going for like retail, a little like $20 above retail, if that. But I'll put that there if you guys are interested in getting one of these. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below regarding Jordan 1s and what was the best Jordan 1 to release this year. Like I said, I think it's the UNC's Off-Whites, the toe to cake by far. I think, you know, anything with Off-White is going to win this year. Probably maybe best sneaker of the year, maybe. But I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, at the end of the year, I'll probably do a bunch of top 10 videos for you guys. So we'll do, when that time comes, we'll talk about that and do all that. But this is what I picked up, guys. I'll throw these on foot, so you guys give you on foot. You guys can check that out. But guys, that's my video for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And like always, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.